Okay.
So basically, if you drive an Audi and...
Hold on, we need to catch it.
I know, but I'm just loosening it up right now. And it doesn't smoke when it's idling, but every time you try to accelerate, it like misfires and whitish blue smoke comes out of the back. What happens is the intercoolers on both sides are filled up with oil, and then the moment the turbo spools, that air pressure picks up the oil, sends it through the combustion, causes the misfires and comes out and burns and comes out of the tailpipe as smoke.
So before you do that, we'll get a pan. Yes. Alright, so we need another pan, which is right there.
Wow, there's big brakes. Your truck will stop. That's enough. That's enough.
All right, which way is it? This way? Okay. All right.
There's already drip. Oh, light is light on.
Where is
yeah,
that?
it's right here.
Ooh, nice.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, why you have to ruin it, bro?
I mean, he's excited. It depends
Oh
on...
my god, that's a lot. Why do you... It's gonna be such a good video.
Oh shit.
That is...
You want to wash your phone in it?
Wow.
So you want to bring it down though? See, look at that. Wow.
You're not even recording it.
I am. I'm doing dual engine work.
You have to shake it when it's like the last
Should we do the other side like this?
Yeah, probably.
Because I don't think we pulled it down. I think we just let it. I mean, that's probably fine. That's fine. Much better than what it was.
Yeah. Do you still want to bring it for a car wash?
Yes.
You know that it's going to take at least like an hour or so.
That's fine, yeah.
Okay. Anything here?
I want to take this home. This or the motorcycle? Which one am I taking?
Ah, man. Why are you making that choice for me?
Yeah, exactly. What if they say, oh, we're too busy. We don't need more space.
Lift the car a bit more.
Lift the car more?
Yeah.
All right. How much? 2 jack?
Like 5 inches.
No, if the brakes are in the back, in the front though.
5 inches. It's all-wheel drive.
Is that good?
Yeah.
More?
Yeah, keep going. That's good. Oh, yeah, there is a stream.
It's coming down more? Oh, I see. You're trying to get the oil from the other side.
Yeah, this one is basically empty.
Okay.
This is from the turbo.
Let me see.
That's the turbo up there. That's the turbo up there.
No.
No. I just wanna...
Soak it up?
Yeah. We could use the shop vac for this, but...
You want to?
Come on. Hopefully I don't leave one behind. Cause that won't be
looks
good.
about right.
That won't be good for anyone.
Yeah, that's good.
We should have taken a video of what happens.
What? Oh. I have a video. I sent it to you, remember?
Yeah, but while drive.
Yeah. I sent it to you while driving.
I think that's good.
Yeah, most likely a temporary fix. You have to fix the turbo, right? Where are we at?
No light?
I turned it on. It's fine. I can see. Whoa. Okay. You're gonna miss. Move your screw. I got it. You want the napkins to show
no.
them? Huh?
You don't know how to turn the light on?
It's high def.
Where are the napkins?
Under my knee. Yeah.
Never let them know your next move, right?
Yes, all of a sudden you got a Pakistani. What do you call?
There's gonna be some sand through the engine right now.
Never.
Never let them know your next move.
Instead of smoke coming out the back, there's sand coming out the back. If you fall too close, it's your fault.
Move this back.
Two fingers.
I'm sorry. I used the wrong fingers.
Hurry up, man. All right, pull it out. You lost it?
It's in there.
Yo, hurry up. I overstretched. Ready? Oh, you got it? Hold on, let me push the... You got it? All right.
All right, that's okay.
Oh, man.
That means you need new spark plugs.
Yeah. No, this not on this side. Nice and lubricated. The one thing you should never have oil on.
This is the air side of the car.
Air, like fire and water. Air should not mix.
No, don't. I got gloves. Just take it.
What's the matter, man? It's just a little oil.
They say it's good for eczema.
Yeah. It's good for your... what do you call it? Your self-esteem as well. Ah, we're making progress. We making progress, sort of. Burp that out.
Can you take the pen away?
Yep.
Well, this is Audi for you. Fresh new oil. Damn, that's a lot. Dude, it's a lot. It's a lot of oil.
Wow.
Still dripping.
It doesn't look like oil.
What do you mean?
I mean, it's a mix. Oil, water.
No, it's oil.
I mean, some of it is clear.
No, it looks clear because it's fresh oil.
Oh. Great. So you can leave it a little bit unhooked?
Yeah, I'm trying to leave it. I'm gonna leave my screwdriver in there. That way.
Why are you driving?
No.
Holy shit, that's a lot.
That is a lot. It's way more. It's usually a few drops, but that thing has been soaked. So your car was basically choking for air.
Basically.
Basically.
I'm over there giving it more gas. Vroom, vroom, it goes.